earlier just a student life and a kid life I used to live. Now I'm little more mature, and at home also our respect is little high after joining IKEA because we are earning. When I was in second year, my father told me that he will get me married, and he also brought a proposal. When we came into final year, they again said we have Disha counseling and all. She asked me like, are you interested? I said I'm interested, but I want my sister also to join, because when I am alone, my father will not allow me. So if we both are together, no one can break us. Even when we were in the Disha training for 1 month, so we used to go to High Tech City, we both sisters. It was very fun driving. Even I got perfect in driving. Then my father also got that opinion that I can drive alone as well as I can take care of my household. He got little confidence on us that we can do. The most things which frightened me was customer service. So I was little fearing. I am a cafe co-worker where I should deal with these customers, and even we were behind the curtains. Like we always wear burqa and we don't speak to strangers. I was little nervous to join, but after coming to IKEA, I have learned how to speak to customers, and in fact I am recognized as a good speaker with the customers. So Disha impacted me to grow as a person and professionally. Working place is not like working, it's more like a learning place and enjoyment. So basically I do various deployments in cafe, like doing cashiering, order support and supporting the customers. Cafe is at the exit, so we add on to the customer a good experience.
I'm very thankful to Disha people. Like they trained us very well, and I got the job, and I'm happy with that salary also. So my father and my husband was against of doing job, and after seeing the policies of IKEA, and they were giving facilities like cab and security, so they were impressed with that and made me allowed to work.
So for me in IKEA, the most thing which I loved was IKEA values, because the values which they have were very much closer to us, because since our childhood we have those values: simplicity, cost consciousness and togetherness. And we also got to know like they are not hiring by our skills but by our values.
How you think means అప్పుడే పెద్దగా అయిపోయావా నువ్వు, నాకు మనీ తెచ్చి ఇచ్చేంత పెద్దదాన్ని అయిపోయావా అని. సో హీ ఫీల్ లైక్ దిస్, హీ లవ్ మీ సో మచ్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను చాలా స్మాల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఈ దిశ ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా నాకు ఈ జాబ్ వచ్చింది. ఈ జాబ్ వచ్చినందుకు, ఈ జాబ్ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ సాలరీ నేను ఎప్పుడైతే తీసుకొని మా మామ్కి, మా గ్రాండ్ మాకి వాళ్ళందరికీ క్లాత్స్ కొనిచ్చి, అండ్ దెన్ మా బ్రదర్స్కి వాళ్ళ ఇష్టపడే షూస్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మిగిలిన డబ్బులు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో కొన్ని నేను పెట్టుకొని, ఐ మీన్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఛార్జెస్కి నేను పెట్టుకొని, తర్వాత మా నాన్నకి ఎప్పుడైతే నేను ఆ డబ్బులు తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి అతని హ్యాండ్లో పెట్టాను, అతని రియాక్షన్ ఏంటంటే హీ ఫెల్ట్ సో హ్యాపీ అండ్ హీ సెడ్ దట్ రియలీ నువ్వు ఇంత గ్రోన్ అప్ అయిపోయావా, నువ్వు నాకు తెచ్చి ఇచ్చేంత పెద్దదాన్ని అయిపోయినావు. సో రియలీ ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ. నువ్వు ఇంత చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అంత కష్టపడిందంట, ఇప్పుడు నీకు సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంది. సో నువ్వు చదివిన దానికి, నువ్వు చేసే దాన్ని బట్టి, సో ఇట్స్ గుడ్. ఇంకా నువ్వు ఇంత పెద్ద కంపెనీలో తెచ్చుకున్నావంటే అది నాకు ప్రౌడ్గా ఉంది. సో ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ అని మా నాన్న చెప్పాడు. All life I will work with IKEA only, but I will grow here. Here all are equal. Here they will treat us to all deployments, all co-workers are equal in IKEA.
I'm from service business team, so I'm specialist in kitchen installation department. Yeah, they are very excited. They are taking pictures also. Yeah, because a woman is doing the job and she is installing my kitchen. They are feeling like that. My family, they are good. They are feeling very proud about me because she's a girl and she's doing a woman job, and she can do everything like that. I want to build up my house with IKEA, or with all IKEA products.
मैं रेस्टोरेंट से हूँ. When I got morning shifts, my father will drop me, and before 2 months he had an accident, and his bike got damaged, and I want to give a new bike to him within 15 days. By this I will make my father feel good. ये हम लोग को 5 डेज़ वर्किंग डेज रहते, 2 डेज़ ऑफ रहता. वो 2 डेज़ में तो फ्री कभी नहीं रहती. कभी मेहंदी ऑर्डर्स पहले से था मेरा, अभी भी कंटिन्यू है वो वर्क. कॉन्फिडेंस तो है और मैच्योरिटी, थिंकिंग कैपेसिटी. he did not compare with the boys, with girls. Whenever the others will ask, he said, I have 4 sons. फ्यूचर में तो अब तो डिस्टेंस से MBA कर रही. MBA तो इसलिए कर रही बस IKEA में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, हाई क्वालिफिकेशन. हाँ, रिटायर होना चाह रही. अच्छा है ना, बहुत अच्छा है.
हम लोग का पिकिंग टीम है. वी आर फ्रॉम पिकिंग टीम. जैसे कस्टमर ऑर्डर आता है ना, हम लोग एक RDT देते हैं. वो लोग उसमें ये आर्टिकल नंबर आते हैं, लोकेशन आता है. कस्टमर अगर चाहिए तो स्पॉट में जाकर कस्टमर को हैंड ओवर करते हैं, नहीं तो डिलीवरी लगाते हैं. तो लोग पिक करके हम लोग डिलीवरी टीम को देते हैं. वो लोग जाके घर को होम डिलीवरी करते हैं. प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टिंग में आया, बैक पेन से आए, पर जैसे जैसे दिन गुजरते गए वैसे वैसे फिट होते गए हम लोग. मतलब मजबूती आती गई हमारे में. लॉजिस्टिक्स ही पसंद है मुझे. डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं. हम लोग को रोटेट शिफ्ट रहते हैं एक्चुअली. नाइट रिप्लेनिश होता है, डे में फोक लिफ्टर्स रहते हैं. मतलब जैसे शिफ्ट रोटेट होता है ना, मतलब कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं हम लोग एक्चुअली. ग्रोथ मतलब ग्रोथ है, एग्जैक्टली ग्रोथ तो ज़्यादा है इसमें. अगर हम हमारा बेस्ट देंगे तो पक्का ग्रो होंगे लाइफ में. इक्वल है, लड़की लड़का कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. अंदर हम लोग अच्छा फ्रेंडली फैमिली टाइप रहते हैं. जैसे कि कुछ हैवी लिफ्टिंग आया, कोई बस एक नज़र पड़ गई तो भाग के आते हैं वो लोग हेल्प करने के लिए.
Actually, my father passed away when I was in 4th or 5th standard. So from that time, my mother has brought me up till now. She motivates me and she helps me. She says me that don't believe on others. You just have to work on yourself. You just work hard. Don't depend on others. So she motivates me a lot. And now I'm supporting her. I'm helping her a lot. So she feels very happy and she feels proud to say someone about me. So when I joined in Disha's, they trained me a lot, like how to use your body language, how to attend an interview, and they told us little bit about retail also. So and we also did scenarios like dealing with customers, how to deal with customers, how to talk with customers. So we have done all that in Disha training. Actually, my brothers, they think that they want to become like me. So they every time says that you're great, you you handle situations a lot. So I want to be like you. You are my role model. So they'll tell about me like that. I have given my complete salary to my mother. So she felt very happy. She was proud that I gave her complete salary. Even now also, from my joining till now, I'll give my complete salary to my mother. So she feels very happy.
मेरा घर 19 किलोमीटर दूर है, फिर भी लाइक मुझे ड्राइविंग पसंद है, तो मेरे डैड ने मुझे गिफ्ट किए, इसलिए मैं खुद ही ड्राइव कर कर यहाँ IKEA आती हूँ और जाती हूँ। वो बहुत प्राउड करे मुझ पर कि बोले कि हाँ तुम हमारी बेटी नहीं बेटा हो, यू गॉट द जॉब, ये आपके पास इतना लाइक हुनर है, यू हैड एक्सपीरियंस, तो तुमने इसी की लाइक काबिलियत पर अब जॉब लिया है। घर पर हमेशा बोलते हैं कि लड़कियां कमज़ोर होती है, बाहर निकलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है आजकल के इस ज़माने में। और मैं ब्लैक बेल्ट सेकेंड डैन हूँ कराटे मार्शल आर्ट्स में। मैं 5 साल से कंटिन्यूसली कराटे सीख रही हूँ और मैं बच्चों को टीच भी करती हूँ, लाइक गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में भी मैं जाकर ट्रेनिंग करती हूँ और मेरा खुद का प्राइवेट स्कूल भी है जहाँ मैं ट्रेनिंग देती हूँ। जॉब दिन भर का होता है, बेस्ट पार्ट ये होता है कि कस्टमर को ज़्यादातर एक्सप्लेन करना प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, और ज़्यादा जब मैं ऑर्डर बनाती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। I completed like SSC in Urdu medium. When I joined Disha, they said you have to like try to speak in English, and every day we are like speaking English in the class. And after the joining, I'll like improve my English also. And now I'm like dealing with customer in English only. फर्स्ट सैलरी मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम कि मैं मम्मी को गोल्ड गिफ्ट करूं। लाइक वो तो ऐसा गेस्ट ही नहीं कर पाए कि मैं गोल्ड गिफ्ट करूंगी, लाइक वो समझ रहे थे आर्टिफिशियल है। जब मैंने बोला कि मेरी फर्स्ट सैलरी का गिफ्ट है तो वो बहुत खुशी हुई, और आज तक बोलते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट तो तुमने दिया है मुझे। वो आज भी बहुत खुश होती है।
नहीं, लड़की लोग को पढ़ना भी ज़रूरी है, पढ़ना भी ज़रूरी है, जॉब भी कहीं भी मिल गया करे तो भी अपनी अच्छा ही रहता, लाइफ अच्छी रहती है, लोग की सेटलमेंट हो, ऐसा मेरा ख्याल है।
Women are a catalyst for change. At IKEA, we believe in a 50-50 gender ratio at all levels across all functions. Engaging with and building local communities is important to us here at IKEA. That's why IKEA India Retail is participating in Project Disha. It's a 3-year program supported by the IKEA Foundation, implemented by UNDP in India. Disha actually means direction. It's bringing together partners from government, business and civil society to enable 1 million women across India to learn marketable skills and connect them with income opportunities. Together with all Project Disha partners, IKEA India Retail aims to enable women who have not had the benefit of a quality education to become economically self-sufficient and take informed decisions so that they, their families and future generations can have better opportunities in life. As lead partner for the retail sector, we helped identify the skills needed for women to take on critical roles in departments such as goods flow, customer relations, food and cash. We then worked with the UNDP and Train to design a training curriculum to develop these skills. In addition, women participated in programs developed to boost their confidence and increase their communication skills. Disha was able to provide quality training to 215 students. As a result of the training, 109 women were offered jobs in the retail sector. 84 of these were with IKEA, all working in different jobs, earning a living and growing as individuals. These women are now formally equipped with the skills that will serve them across India's retail sector, be it with IKEA or any other business in this evolving and exciting retail industry. So at the beginning, they weren't so confident. Now I've seen this huge change. They're these confident, independent women who are going on holidays now, and they're buying their mobile phones, they're giving money to their parents, they're even paying for their siblings' education. It's quite amazing the change that has now been enforced in their lives, on their own account, of course. And we're really proud of them. To see this change, to see a big difference in all these people's lives is magnificent. And it's all down to Disha.